Welcome to Stevens Creek Volkswagen, the #1 VW dealership in Northern California. And here's another example of an outstanding vehicle from our huge selection of Volkswagen vehicles. Stevens Creek Volkswagen is a family-owned dealership dedicated to making it easy for people to purchase the car that's right for them. With over 30 years in business, our dealership group is pleased to say that many of our clients have purchased several vehicles from us over the years. And we believe that's because of our commitment to our customers that keeps them coming back. Come see why every year Volkswagen recognizes Stevens Creek Volkswagen for superior customer satisfaction and outstanding sales and service. We're located at 4490 Stevens Creek Boulevard in San Jose.